guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a quick video for you about all our new releases. So this week is the week 4 of September 2018 releases. This is our second week of all photo kits collection, and I have 3 collections to show you. I have the first one here, which is a breakfast themed photo kit collection. And let's start with the first one. By the way, I'm sorry for first the traffic noises, second the dog noises that may be coming up soon, though not right now. And also these are my test prints, and as you can see here, there are some blotches. Blotches, is that what you call them? Okay, and they will not be in the kits that you will get. This is just the ones that I have pulled so I can use them. So the first one is called Breakfast in Bed. So this is a very gray themed. At the same time, there's pops of chocolate, and that's your coffee, and this is a bed, that's a computer, and that's a little treat. So that's Breakfast in Bed page 2. This is page 1. So this is the date cover up, the strip sticker, the checklist, the dots, the headers, rather the label stickers, and 3 circle decos. And that is the first kit, Breakfast in Bed. The second kit that I have here has themes of like, it's orange, but more of a very warm orange, more like peach, a dark peach. Let's start with this page. I'm having trouble lifting them from here. So this is the first page, and still you get the same format. So this is the covers, date covers, the strip stickers, the checklist, the circles, the labels, the dots, and then the circle decos. And here in the circle decos you get bread, apples, and coffee or tea. So if you are a tea drinker, this isn't necessarily a coffee kit, so you can pick this up. It's like a full breakfast. That's why it's called a full breakfast, because there's lots of goodies here. So this is the scene with the bread and the cup and some jam. Delicious, making me hungry. Okay, and this is the second page. So you get teardrops of different colors that are in the kit, or rather in the photos. And this is the left bottom bar and the right bottom bar. And that is full breakfast. Here they are together. And then the last kit of this collection is called Quick Breakfast. So this one is really, really coffee themed. But this is like a delicious cappuccino with some cookies. So let's take a look at this first page. So here you have the tip of the cup, the top of the cup with the foam, because I feel like that's super warm and delicious. So this has a lot of yellow and navy, but the yellow is a little bit different. It's almost brown yellow. Here are the label stickers are the cookies. And so the circle decos are the cookies and the cup. So the cup has a heart. You can see it better here for the second page. So this is the left and then the right bottom bar. And here we go. Super cute cup. I wish I had this cup. And again, the teardrop stickers that are of the same colors as the photo. So those are the 3 breakfast kits in the breakfast collection kits. And now let's move on to another collection, which is the open book collection. So I have 3 once again. Let's start with this, and this is called Lost in Pages. Let's start with the first page. So the colors are warmer and lighter. So this is the checklist. If you noticed, if I have a photo background in the checklist, the date covers the strips, and the circles, or rather the dots, are solids. So that is what you got. You got the hand in the book, and the girl is reading. And then for the circle decos. You got the apple with the book. It's a little bit dark, and then the hand, and then this is a picture of the girl. So the label, by the way, is the hand with the book, because I feel like the focus of this photo is really this area here. It's like vignette, like dark all around, and this is a stream of light, I guess. And these are your bottom boxes. There you go, and the teardrops. So next kit we have romantic pages, and this one is like the color of old paper. If you're into vintage and florals, this is the kit for you. So this is the first page. Your date covers and your strip are of the flowers that are on top of the book, and then your checklist, and then your dots, and then these are of the label stickers with the pages underneath the white boxes, and then here are the circle decos, and there's just the flowers and the books in different angles and different focus. So let's take a look at the bottom bars. It's like dark, but at the same time it's very romantic looking because of the flowers. It just gives it a little bit of femininity, or not really femininity, but more of a softness. Actually, if I think of romance, this is what I think of. That's why this is called romantic pages. And then we have the last kit for the open book collection, which is very, very blue, and it's called Reading Blues. Actually, Reading Blues as well as Breakfast in Bed are both colder tone kits, colder tone photo kit. I make sure that I have a cold tone kit, and let me see here. I have a warm tone kit, and then I have the neutral colored kits. So for Reading Blues, you have this first page. I'm sorry about the blots. That's my printer. It hasn't been cleaned yet. So here we go. This is the flowers that are on a table. So this is a very interesting, very varied circle decos. And then your labels are of the flowers. I think that's going to look really, really pretty on a spread. And then the second page, hang on, I'm having trouble. What? And then this is the second page of the third kit of open book collection, and this is the entire scene. So this is a much bigger photo. I picked this part because of the V, and I think that really draws your eye to it, to this area in the middle, and that's what makes it really pretty for me. And then behind the white box is the flowers with the little lace peeking through, and that is the Reading Blues together with Lost in Pages and Romantic Pages. They are part of the open book kit, or rather open book collection. And then so we have had requests for matte stickers. I wanted to try them out. I'm not sure if we are going to launch the matte stickers this coming release, but I wanted to see them printed to see if, you know, if they're okay. And I'm going to show you two of the kits in this collection in matte and one of them in glossy. So the one in glossy is called Bride and Bridesmaids. This entire kit is designed as our bridal 2018 collection. So this is the neutral tones. So the first page looks like this. And the flowers are there, and here are your circles. So pretty. So these are bridesmaid shoes, and the bride is on the checklist. Super cute. I really, really love this collection. But if you're like just going to a wedding, this is gonna be a really good kit, especially if it's like a destination wedding and you're gonna spend a lot of time away to attend someone's very special day. Then this is a really good kit, together with all the other kits in the collection, like this one. This is called The Day. So maybe if you're really, really close to the bride, your sister, your best friend, something like that, and you really want to mark that week as a wedding, not necessarily yours, this is a really good pick. So the day has this first page. These are the roses of the bouquet. You get them here too. And then the bride is silhouetted in front of large windows. And these are the roses also. And this is the second page. It's so pretty. I'm sorry the lighting is a little bit blue today because it's very cloudy. And the last one is my cold toned photo kit, and this is called Ceremony. So this is also good for anniversaries. So if you take a look, the main focus really is this warm yellow encased and surrounded by all these cold tones. And then I also picked bridal hair photo, and this is what it looks like. And this is the second page of the ceremony. And I love it so much. There is nothing else in the kit that has this color, so that the focus is always going to be here. So if I look at it, I always see this, and this. That's how I designed this kit. So once again, this is the ceremony, and this is the day, and then this is the glossy version of Bridesmaids. And this is the Bridal 2018 collection from paperjoyph.com. And that is the end of our very short video for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you want any of the things that I have shown you today, please go to paperjoyph.com. When you're watching this, these kits should be 10% off. Actually, I think the entire shop is going to be 10% off. Usually, I only put the new kits or new collections at 10% off. So I make a coupon for that. But I think this weekend, it's going to be 10% off the entire shop. So make sure to check out paperjoyph.com if you want Hobonichi Weeks stickers. If I haven't mentioned that, I'm sorry. Okay, so this is what a Hobonichi Weeks looks like. And this is the Hobonichi Weeks pages. So this will fit perfectly into here. If you want to see how I decorate my pages, go ahead and check out my playlist of Hobonichi Weeks Plan with Me's. And again, for realsies, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos in my Hobonichi books, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!